Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, I've clearly explained you that during lockdown what we have seen, the gold was creating a similar pattern. This particular pattern is being created when the gold was moving in this range. This is from 2012 to 2022, a bigger pattern which I have explained you in my monthly chart. Okay, and this is the pattern we have seen in weekly chart as well as a day wise chart. As soon as the price started going above a level of $21.45, we have seen the price was continuously moving upside, and then we have seen it has changed its particular pattern form. This is what we have seen in this particular format till, you can say, in the month of April of 25. This is what we have seen. The price what it was doing, that whenever it is making new high, we have seen a good fall was coming. So remember, see, after what happened after that, a narrow pattern is being formed. Okay, so this narrow pattern, I have clearly explained you that if the price started sustaining of 3400, keep that in mind, that if it keep moving up this level, a further upside can be seen. The price has touched a level of 3711 around. Okay, this you can see on the chart. Now what thing that you have to remember now, that the whenever it was making new high, we have seen a fall is coming. This is what we have seen, and chances are high that if the price started forming a swing, because we have, whenever it is making new high, we have seen a swing form, that is where the price was coming down. So suppose if the price started falling below this level, then we can see the price can come towards next level, that is very close to it at around 3660. Okay, and if the price falling below 3660, then we can see it can move towards next level of $3650. Okay, and suppose if the price started falling below 3650, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of around $3647. Okay, and this is the level of support 3. Once the price started falling below 3647, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $3630. And if the price falling below $3630, a further downfall can be seen towards, see, after 3630 we can see a level of 3625. This 3625 is already weak, so we can see the price will fall further down, and yes, after that the price can touch a level of around 3612. Okay, and then we can see it can go further low, because we have seen a level of around 3600 is a strong level. So we can see a bounce back can be seen from that level, but if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards further down. We can see it can move towards next level of around $3582. Okay, remember these few of the supports. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. Probability of further down can be seen, because it is supporting this trend that whenever it is making new high, we have seen a fall. And if this particular day if we see that this candle closes in red, there is a higher chances that we can see it can go further low. But if you look at this particular trend, suppose if it started sustaining this level, it is already below this particular resistance now, 3677. So if the price sustain above this level and goes above this particular level, what we can see, suppose if it started going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen after this particular level of 3685. That is a resistance 2. We can see this is resistance 2 and this is resistance 1. So if the price moving over this level, a further upside can be seen towards $3695. If the price moving above that particular level after resistance 3, a further upside can be seen towards next level of around $3702. Okay, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside can be seen. So there is a higher chances of further high. So if the price started going up 3702, we can see a level of 3720 to a level of 3750, and if that sustain, we can see a level of $3780. And if the price going above that level, we can see a level of 3800. Suppose the price sustain above that particular level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Keep that in mind, that a level of 3677 sustain, we can see a further upside, and once started going above a level of 3702, you can trail your SLY $15 to $20 or $10 to $15. So if the price move above this level, it can move towards